because the brain will be fully developed by age 25 or older basta recreational at hindi lagian ang paggamit ng droga, or not really droga because marijuana is not a gateway drug. It is also important to know na si Senator Robin Padilla ay isa ring advocate ng legalization ng medical grade marijuana sa ating bansa. So it is not far off to assume na he is more laid back sa ganitong rules ng kanyang opisina, basta wag lang magpapahuli. Although, I don't really see Nadia Montenegro smoking joint session sa Senado.
Kailangan po nating paluguin ang ating ekonomiya at sa puntong ito, malaki po ang maiaambag ng industriya ng medical cannabis na tuloy-tuloy po ang pag-usbong sa iba't ibang dako ng mundo.
Again, kakasabi ko lang na even though it is not far off to assume na he is more laid back sa ganitong rules sa kanyang opisina, doesn't really prove na si Nadia Montenegro ay ang tao or even the staff that had the alleged odor which resembled, according to the Senator Ping Lacson staff member, amoy marijuana. Totoo naman na dapat natin seryosohin. Kasi even if I believe that marijuana should be legalized, doesn't negate the fact na it is still illegal. Pero dapat natin seryosohin yung mga ganitong akusasyon. Kasi parang may double standard. Kapag ang karaniwang Pilipino ang nahulihan ng ganja o ng Mary Jane, 300,000 to 10 million pesos agad with matching kulong of up to life imprisonment. Pero kapag si Nadia Montenegro or any staff member for that matter connected to the political elites,